Power BI in healthcare. In today's healthcare sector, where every second counts, making quick, data-driven decisions can save lives. This is where Power BI can transform your operations. Your healthcare operations generate vast amounts of data. Power BI centralizes this data for quick and informed decision-making. With real-time dashboards that can be easily shared, doctors, nurses and other medical staff can easily monitor patient status, detect anomalies, and respond faster. Thanks to AI-powered predictive analytics, you can identify high-risk patients, providing proactive care and reducing the load on your intensive care unit. You can optimize staff scheduling, reduce patient wait times, and improve the way you allocate resources with intelligent resources. Gain financial visibility, streamline billing, and reduce overall operational costs, all with the advanced features of Power BI. From clinical trials to drug development, Power BI can help your research team uncover intelligent insights faster and make data-driven decisions. If you are in the public healthcare sector, then Power BI can help you track and predict disease outbreaks and improve population health strategies. Ensure compliance with healthcare regulations like HIPAA and protect sensitive patient data with built-in security and governance controls. From better patient outcomes to operational efficiency, Power BI is shaping the future of healthcare. Are you ready to digitally transform your business for the future? Contact Evolvous and develop customized solutions for your healthcare business that helps you leverage the potential of Power BI. Get ready to evolve with purpose.